What is going on, ticklers? Today we're out here at Trophy Club MX Park and we're just gonna get some dirt riding done. This is my first dirt ride on the new to me yz250f. So anyway, bike's already warmed up. Let's go ahead and get out there. I am by myself today. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. So that being said, I'm gonna start out slow, and I'm really not that good at dirt riding to begin with, so you know, if you're expecting me to go fast, you're probably on the wrong channel. I outgrew my motocross pants whenever I was bulking, so they don't fit me anymore, so I'm just wearing jeans. So I'm gonna try to avoid the mud. It's very muddy. Try to avoid the mud a little bit, that way I don't ruin a pair of jeans, but it is a whole lot of trails out here. Oh man. Well, this is a lovely start. I guess having my fuel on would probably help, huh? You guys can see just how good I am at riding a dirt bike. I forgot to turn my gas on. We're gonna go this way. Oh, this might have been a mistake. God damn. This thing definitely wants to go. Oh, muddy. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Good thing I brought extra socks. All right. I'm gonna dry you all off and take a quick breather. I'm gonna turn gas on this time. But yeah, this upcoming year, 2021, I think I'm just gonna try and do more dirt bike content, and I'm gonna get a better camera, maybe a drone, you know, better GoPro. I'm gonna focus a lot more on YouTube this upcoming year than I have been this year. I've been kind of neglecting it, and because I like doing bike content, but obviously it's a little cold to ride street bikes right now. Got some people coming through here. I don't want to get in their way. I guess I shouldn't go flying around these trails since I don't know them that well. Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
You okay?
I'm good, thank you. That was embarrassing. Oh shit! Hi, Dad.
Something broke. What about you?
No, I'm fine. That's my front brake lever.
Man, I've been avoiding the water. So...
I've been trying to, but I started getting wet, so I decided just to go for it. I think it's still in gear, so.
At least the clutch isn't broke.
Yeah.
Well, they don't go too good.
Oh, man.
Really gotta get this brake.
Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, I'm fine, yeah. Went down, hit right here, kind of hard, but.
So what happened? Were you on this side?
I came in like right here on the edge and hit just this puddle and slipped in.
Oh man, that's some nasty, soupy stuff.
Yeah, it threw me out, and then I was
basically on the edge of this water.
Yeah, I came right there, hit the edge, and then it started sliding me out, and I didn't want to go full speed into that, so I just grabbed the brake up and just went over.
It was turning, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Turn that water or
I think it's just water.
Was your camera on?
Yeah, my camera's on. I got the whole thing.
Oh, cool.
You want to watch it back?
Oh, how can you see that?
Man, I'll tell you what. We crashed like that. All we lost is a front brake, which I'm pretty sure that's exactly. Yeah, no, my front brake crashed or broke one time I was out here on my old yz250f. which is also an 09. That was definitely probably the worst crash I've ever had. I'm covered in like these spiky things here, and I don't have a front brake, so I'm gonna try to ease it back on. One thing that I am gonna do real quick, grab my front brake lever, because you know we love keeping parts of crashed bikes. Yeah, the old man on the TTR 230 stopped and helped me out. Nice guy. That was just me trying to stay ahead of him, really, and I slipped in the mud. I'll play that back in slow-mo now, but I slipped in that mud, and you guys can watch my tire just turn. And I tried to turn it back, and then it just kind of launched me, so. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. If you guys want to see me crash more, I can promise you it's coming. But until next time, peace.